And just like that, your UK driving license is now accessible from your Apple Wallet, making it easier to view whenever you need it. While Apple doesn't currently allow adding a driver's license directly in the UK, this workaround helps you store a digital version safely in Wallet. To do this, you'll need a third party app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Stocard. Download and install the app, then open it once the installation is complete. On the home screen, you'll see commonly used cards. In the top right corner, tap the Add button and select Other Card. Now, you can either scan your driving license using your front camera or enter the details manually. Once you've added the information, tap Save. The app will then create a digital card that can be added directly to your Apple Wallet. If you were confused because Apple Wallet only shows options like debit cards, transit cards, or IDs, this method gives you a simple alternative. Hello, guys! Welcome back to the channel. Here we share easy tech tips and smart workarounds. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides.